Is what it is. Let's get to work. All right. Let me let everybody in. Woo! $150,000 evaluation account. Trying to learn this stuff. We should be good to go, though. We're getting better every day. That's the goal, right? Get better every day. It's my mission this year to pass 20 PA accounts. It's my first time trading this. Brand new charts. Brand new Urinco. Shit. All this stuff's new, which is great because we're doing it together. We all are doing it together. So let's sit back, relax, get ready to rock. Let me bring this chat over here. All right, cool. We got we don't have really any news item today, so we should be good. It's gonna be a wild ride, my friends. Dude, I got 7 of these accounts. And let's get better every day, right? Every single day. Our goal is to get better past this. So that's what we're doing. By March 31st, my goal is at least 5 PAs. What's going on, Jeff?
Hey, buddy. How you doing this morning?
Man, I'm ready to rock and roll.
Me too, man. Finally got everything all set up.
All right.
Watching those old Renko up here.
Isn't that crazy, right? Yeah, bro. I'm glad you got it set up. I think for the most part, almost everybody's good to go now as far as the charts. And again, now we just learn little nuances and help each other out. If you find something new about the charts, like you learn a little trick, hey, let us know, man, because we got to there's a lot of probably little nuances, man, on these damn charts. So as you learn more stuff, share, brother. Share.
Yeah, I'm going to spend some time in it this weekend and try to learn some shortcuts and stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
Got all the basics set up. And the other thing I'm trying to do, though, I need to get my toolbar set up. I took a photo of your screen there and try to get my toolbar up above set up like you do. So.
Yeah, and I don't even know what half of that stuff is. Liz helped me on some, and then I added some myself. But yeah, again, it's learning how to add, remove. But for the most part, up here, the closed chart book, open, that stuff's pretty handy.
Yeah.
The data service settings and the time frames right there. So, I mean, hey, we're still learning.
Mm-hmm.
We're still learning.
Well, I'm curious to get, I know you guys talked about it. I unfortunately couldn't be in after Rebecca's deal yesterday, but interested in kind of a quick overview of what you learned yesterday. It looked like the light bulb came on.
Yeah, it did. Today I'm going to, hang on, the bell's going to go off in a minute. I'm not going to trade for about that first 15 minutes anyway, but let's let the bell go off. All right. So now today, my primary focus is my management. The other day I said I wanted to do the management, but I didn't really have the process down, so it didn't do me any good. But now that I feel like I have the process, I'm really going to work hard today on the management. So again, today is a learning day for me. My main mission is to get better today than I did yesterday.
Yeah.
So I'm going to be focusing a lot on that. But, the primary thing to kind of just click, it's more about, the direction you're trading in and then just staying zoned in that direction and disregarding everything else.
Well, it's interesting because, everything was way up this morning. And so now we're bouncing off a high here, it looks like. it's going to be interesting to see how this thing shakes out. And I think there's going to be a lot of enthusiasm today too, because today is the last day of that other dude being in the White House.
You ain't lying, brother. I mean, look at the crypto market, dude. Crypto market's starting to heat up again.
Yeah, I was pretty thrilled to see that.
Yeah, I did a video on. Well, no, I did a video today on Apex. On the make sure y'all watch it. It's good because I'm going to be doing these short little videos on Apex for my own benefit to get better. So today I did it on the trailing drawdown. What's going on, John?
Good morning, Jeff.
Good,
Hey,
good.
John.
Good.
Hey, Jeff.
You ready to rock today?
I am, and it used to really bug me when I'd get up and I'd see the market gapping before open.
Yeah.
Now we can play that.
Yeah, we can. We can.
Did you make your 500 for the day pre-market?
I'm going to wait. No, I didn't trade pre-market. I'm going to kind of stick to a routine of just analyzing the market for maybe the first, because again, I'm still new, right? So I don't think I can handle trading right in the beginning. It's a little too volatile for me right now because I'm not, I'm learning. So I'm gonna wait 15 minutes as far as the actual trading and just kind of focus here on the beginning more on analyzing the market, establishing a bias and stuff like that before I get into it. But the better that I get, I think the more I'll do that. You know what I'm saying? Maybe.
Oh, and I created a new folder like she suggested.
Okay.
And put less stuff in it. So I only have 2 10-minute VWAP charts and 130, and I'm not sure what the difference is between the 2 10s. And then my trading chart. It's a Mini 2 auto trader. I took the other 3 off in the new chart I created.
Yeah,
the ones we're not going to use. And it does load faster.
Damn, I need to figure out how to do that.
You can create a new one, or if you can go in and create a new chart, and then you can actually click on the bottom. You can click on them like the Mini 5, and there's a move to. If you right click, everything in here is right clicks.
So you move to?
Oh, that's not it.
You talking about?
Anyway, we'll get it another time.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, it loaded fine this morning because I did it early. But I do want to know that because when I change accounts and stuff, I really don't want it to take like 30 minutes.
Okay, I got something different than you did. When I right-clicked on it, I got a drop down at the bottom. It says duplicate chart to chart book.
Yeah.
So yeah, you'd go in and you'd make a new chart book, and then it'll open up whatever one you're in, but there's a drop down there. So you just pick the other one and pick send, and it'll move it there. So you pick the ones you want, and once you get it there, you can go in and take out the active traders that you don't want. You just remove them from the list, and you have the backup copy of your original.
So right there, yeah, duplicate chart to chart book.
Yeah, so you just need to go in up at the top, go into chart books and create a new chart book, name it. And so up in file.
Yeah, I know how to do that. So my question is when I hit duplicate chart, it's just going to make another one.
Duplicate it in that one.
Okay.
So if you wanted one, or if you wanted one to detach, you could actually put it there. But it's just crazy. I don't understand a lot of it. Seems like there are way too many steps for this to work well, to be integrated. It's not what I'm used to in a platform. How about you, Jeff G?
Yeah, this is it's a bit of a step back. I mean, kind of going back 10 years in sort of how a piece of software develops out, and it's good. There's a lot of moving components, so you really have to be, you have to know your way around in this thing to do it right.
Yeah.
And the help tutorial, that's an encyclopedia in itself. If you go to the help screen and start looking around, you can spend hours looking at different things in there. And I mean, they've documented it really well, but again, it's I mean, it's a good program. It's just there's some nuances we got to just figure them out. So.
Yeah.
Right. And once you use it for a while, it'll be like toss. Every now and then I learn something new on toss, and you can just kind of fly around it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
for sure.
exactly.
For sure.
And when I went to TradingView, it's like, oh, how do I do this and how do I do that?
TradingView was a lot more intuitive, I think, in some ways than any of them I've seen. And I got a feeling that I think she's getting ready to migrate this thing over to Ninja. That's my sense. I mean, they're in Ninja now, but I'm just kind of thinking that maybe they're going to migrate us to Ninja. Because she's doing a lot of development work, it looks like, inside of Ninja.
All right.
I don't know what you guys' sense is on that.
So here's what I decided to do. I don't know if I should wait 15 minutes or just go for it. So,
I'm being real patient today, and I'm gonna make my first trade today for sure. So.
All right, that's good.
I took 2 yesterday. I won 1 and lost 1, and ended up I had a 300,000, but I multiply that because I'm not going to get it in this time frame.
Right.
And I lost like 500, and then I made 250 or something. So it's like, okay, learning experience.
Yeah. So she said that Sierra Chart has a lot more for her software than Ninja. Yes, that is a fact for sure. That is a fact for sure. What's going on, Brandon? Malik? Jason, what up?
Good morning.
Hey. Okay, so this is what I'm doing today. I'm trading a $150,000 Apex evaluation account. I'm going to be doing four. The only thing I'm undecided is going for this target. I understand I'm going to do a lot of manual, but I wonder if I should just put a target, and if it hits that target, be happy and set up for the next one. That's the only thing. Jason, me and you talked yesterday. I know we can let it run. We could probably let it run to the moon if it goes. But I'm just wondering, should we set a hard target? That way, if it just hits it, we don't get greedy, we take it, or just focus, nah, I'll manage it. Today, I'll just manage it the way it's normal. I'm doing 4, though. But I got a really good handle now. I'm getting better. So today, my primary focus is going to be on the management of the trade. So let's see what we got. All right, we should all be on the same page. After today, our mission is very simple. To be on the exact same page. Okay, we got to swing low. That should mean something to you based on yesterday's discussion. Now, we were up here in this accumulation. We're breaking down. Okay, but we've got this swing low. Yeah, so let's focus hardcore today and get better at what we're trying to get better at, which is obviously this shit. So I'll be looking here in a second to go long. I'm going to go and turn on my auto traders. You're dealing with the wheel? Oh, that's why you got to do that shit early, bro. You got to do that early, man. Because I deal with that in the morning. And it
what auto trader are you going to run?
I'm doing Dasher, Boom, and MDX.
Okay, got it.
Dasher, Boom. And again, today I'm just trying to work on my management. I don't care if I lose. I have a mission today to get better at my management. That's what I'm trying to do. I got the signals. Now I need to, especially in the morning when things are really fast. Really fast.
Right now, my Dasher Boom is set up for long and short.
No.
No? Okay.
I'm not going to do that long and or short and anymore.
Okay. Well, it's going to be whatever bias we're playing.
Correct.
Okay.
Right now, I'm looking to go long. Again, my mission today is just to work on my management. I don't care if I win or lose. I got to get good at managing it because that's the last piece I think I have left. Oh, I went to get in, but I have trading lock. Oh man. That trade would have killed it. Damn. I had trading lock. You need to unlock it. I always forget to do that. Crap. I always forget to do that. That could have been a nice little win. I do that every single time, man. I forget that it's locked. That's funny. It was a dasher boom. Either way, it don't matter. It's not locked now, so we're good. How come it didn't get me in the trade? I have dasher boom enabled. What? Oh, is it because it's only one dasher boom? Hang on, I'm looking at the auto trader. I'm not sure why that didn't get me in the trade, unless it's only one dasher boom poulet. That should have got me in right there. That's interesting. Not sure why I didn't do it. I have it enabled. Huh. Maybe it's only takes one. Yeah, it's always another bus. So I'm going to back off for a second. I don't really like this sideways. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually only going to turn on right now the dasher boom. See if it gets me in. This is pretty choppy. So I'm going to turn on the dasher boom. I mean, technically it is a higher low, but you see how we're just chopping sideways? I don't know why it didn't get me on the dasher boom though a minute ago. It should have triggered me. This is how my settings are. I need to see if that's correct. Take multiple trades. Huh. Not sure why that didn't work. Is that how y'all's is set up? I'm not sure why that didn't work. Yeah. So I'm going to leave the dasher boom on and just wonder. Just make sure. Look at my settings. Let me know if that's how y'all's settings are. We're dropping down. I'm still looking to go long, though. Let me know in the chat, or you can come off the mic.
Looks right.
Okay. I don't know why it didn't get me in the trade, though, a minute ago. Unless it's only one dasher boom per leg. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. You know what? I don't want to get in right there. No. I'm not going to get in right here. I'm going to disable it for a minute. I don't want to get in there. I have a very specific dasher boom that I want to do. Yeah, exactly. So that is a dasher boom trade. And if I did get in, I'd still be in it. And I'd probably be up like $1,000. Oh, shit. That dasher boom. What? Fucking dasher boom. Damn, that dasher boom trade I shouldn't have disabled it. Fuck. That trade would have killed it. Well, damn. Maybe I should just leave that on all day. Because that right there, bam, I'd be out. Oh, I don't know. I probably would have already made like $2,000. What? All right. Dasher boom. That was a money shot. If mine triggered, I'm not sure why it didn't trigger a minute ago. All right, but we're good. There's always another buzz, right? But damn, that's our daddy shot right there. If I turn the dash of boom on, I wonder if it would do that. Bam! Be out. So that one. This one was big. This dash of boom right here was massive. Shit. I'm going to go ahead and turn on my MDX because it won't trigger until we pull back. I'm going to go ahead and turn on my dasher boom because it's not going to trigger. I think it's only going to trigger to the upside, so I'm not worried about it. So I got both of them on. That one right there would have probably paid us like 1,000 something, man, maybe more. So I'm enabled. We're R1. I like it. Blue swing. Jason, you nailed it. That's exactly what we're waiting for. Okay. Everything's on and set, ready to rock. Could be a diamond. I am enabled. 4 contracts. And I got my boy Dasher. Like Rudolph, we know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen. Should leave it on. It should trigger us, so we're good. We don't have to do nothing except manage it. And again, that's where we how come that shit didn't I'm glad it didn't get me in the trade. But why is my auto trader not working? I'm glad I didn't even see that. I didn't want to get in there. Huh. That's weird. Now I'm afraid to have it checked. It might trigger us when it comes up through there. I don't know. I'm kind of confused right now. I don't want it to trigger me. Huh. So let me know if y'all got triggered. Did you get triggered right here? I hope not.
No.
Okay, good. We got to figure out what triggers it. You did? Oh, no. Probably lost, too. So we got to watch that. That's not a... Yeah. But I don't...
Is it because it's below 55?
You know what? But I didn't get triggered. Jason, your settings are like mine? What? Huh. I'm not sure why that didn't trigger. It's got me really confused, actually. It should have triggered. Wait. You have what? What do you have checked? You have the middle bottom 2? All right, hang on. Damn, that goes fast. That barely moved. Shit. I'm doing 4. This thing is going crazy. Man, my auto trader, because I'm doing so much, my auto trader is already disabled. That move right there was a... Look, I'm doing 4, so this is going to move fast. We're talking thousands of dollars, man. It's going to happen quick. I just don't know why my Dasher Boom didn't. With 4, this sucker's going to move so fast.
We could maybe ask her on the call today too, if she would just list all of the criteria for the Dasher.
I mean, I think I know it. That's the Dasher Boom, but I just don't know why. I'm going to disable it real quick. I don't know why mine, I didn't trigger. Okay, so Jason says I have the middle bottom 2 checked only. So you have that one checked? The middle bottom? Use attached orders. That's weird because I have interim bar close. I'm not taking that. Use attached orders and auto disable, but why? See, take multiple trades. I want that. I guess I'm going to have to do it manually. I'm going to have to do mine manually. I'm not taking that, though, even though... Damn, I just gained back 700 right there. Bam. So I did it manually. I took that Dasher Boom manually. So now it might work again because I'm over my limit, but I took it manually. Bam. I didn't add to the trade. All right. How do you do that? Jason, how do you do that? You can change your limit so it does. How? Bro, you got to tell me how to do that, bro. I'm going to go ahead and turn my MDX on real quick. Right click. Okay, in a minute I'm going to do that. So I'm going to turn everything on. Right click chart. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful. I'm going to do that in a minute after things settle down. That's awesome. So I'm looking to go long. Now we're below 55. Still looking to go long. Okay, I'm going to undisable. I'm going to wait. So right click on the chart, studies. So you go to MDX, settings. How'd you do that? Walk me through it. Okay, good. I hope it doesn't freeze my shit, though. But that's awesome. I want to change that limit.
Hey, I got a second here. Okay. Find the auto trigger you want.
Okay.
Whichever one it is. Right. Click it. Click it right there. Just double click it. It should open up.
Settings like that, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Go down. Scroll down. Is that
maximum daily loss?
Yeah, right there. Change that to make it like super high so it doesn't bother you.
10,000. Maximum daily profit, 10,000.
Apply. Okay.
Oh, mine froze again. Now I gotta wait.
And just do that for each one. I hope that helps you guys. I just figured that out.
That's great.
We can manipulate anything in the settings.
Y'all see that wheel? I gotta wait now. God damn it.
Yeah, that's the problem with I mean, Sierra is so antiquated in their system. It's not streamlined and robust like TradingView and stuff, but it is what it is.
We don't want to, like, I don't want to make any change. I need to do all these changes in the morning before I start. But again,
Yeah, but now you know.
yeah,
Now you
great. That's awesome, Jay.
Sorry, my wife's yelling at
And
my
if-
son.
Jeff, if you make up your own list and just put in the stuff you want,
Uh-huh.
don't have as many things running, because all of those tabs at the bottom, it's using data for those too.
Oh.
So what she said was it will load more quickly if you just have like 3 or 4 charts available rather than 6 or 7.
Okay. That's good
And
to
that
know.
helped too. That's what create the new folder, put in what you want to use, copy it over there, and then just make your changes in your own file, and then you have the original in the original file.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. And
So
this,
if we mess anything up, we can actually delete one and go back and
yeah,
take it from the old one and reset it up.
I like it. I like it. Not as much as I like that wheel, but I like it.
So that thing just got me in on an MDX and I just made $400.
Damn it! Ah! That's good for you, but I'm missing it. Ah!
But I'm just testing the water. So I saw that lower high go in and it's like, okay, I'm out.
Yeah, I really wish my my thing would work. That would be fantastic. I mean, it's gonna work in a minute, but shit, dude.
Well, I got both enabled here. So on the long side.
All right, well,
It's weird though. I mean, you really got to watch because you really don't know which one triggers you.
well, I mean, you do. You should know which one triggers you.
You can look at the chart and know which one triggers.
Yeah, you should know what. But what's pissing me off is this wheel. This is really bothering me, actually. Damn it. And I had a feeling, too, because of yesterday when I changed the thickness of that line. Okay, here we go. All right, here we go.
She danced around that question yesterday when I asked her, and I knew just by her response that she knows that there's a little bit of code in there she needs to, like a watchdog timer or something, she's got to put in there to kind of disable some things when you're making a change.
Yeah.
I tried going in and disconnecting data and then doing the chart, but that wasn't it. It's something that's how it processes the change within the program itself.
Yeah. Jason, you nailed it. Absolutely. Okay. Again, we're sitting right here at R1. You know, we're breaking down here, but it doesn't matter. Right now, I'm looking to go long. We could come back down here in the zone. Okay, that's what I'm doing. And it did change my limit. So, oh, you got on the MDX. I just want to make sure y'all's settings are this. I'm Jason. Yours are different. I don't know because take multiple trades. I want that. I don't even know what the attached orders. Yeah. Enter on bar close. Yeah. Auto disable after entry. I don't know if I want to do that, right? Because if I'm going to take multiple trades, don't you have to have that turned on? Maybe that's what it is. It changed the limits to 10,000, 10,000. So I'm going to try it again. I think because of my top step account, I'm only, yeah, that's exactly why you're only limited to 5 contracts. 5. But I'm just kind of curious why my dasher boom didn't trigger. I'm not turning it on yet. I'm very specific when I turn it on. So it keeps re-entering it. Yeah, exactly. That's why I'm only gonna turn my dasher boom on after I get a Wilder X. Okay? I'm not gonna leave it on. I'm looking for that Wilder X, get in the trade, then I'm turning on a dasher boom. Like right there would have got me in the trade, which shit.
I'm in.
Damn it, that's twice. Check it out.
So if I hit flat, will it?
Yes, flat.
Okay.
Damn, dude. Maybe I should have.
I got a limit on 1. Okay, so hit my target on 1.
You're 1. You shouldn't have more than 1.
It got dasher and.
Oh fuck! Wait, you should have got in on the other one. That's not the.
Dude, I'm up $1,200 right now.
I know, but we don't want to just trade to trade. There shouldn't have been an MDX trade. Okay, we got. I mean, one thing is, I mean, you can do whatever you want, but that's not the rules, guys. That was not an MDX trade.
Well, that's what the auto trader did. So.
No, I know, but we're not. Again, auto trader's just going to get you in. I'm just telling y'all, like that's great, but the rules.
It went on the star. It went 6 to 6. That's weird.
All right, y'all. So y'all.
I hear you. I hear you.
Okay, just that's a different plan than we're doing, buddy. All right, so we're waiting for that higher low confirmation. I am going to turn on this dasher boom to see if it gets me, if it pops up through there. I don't know.
I should have stayed in that dasher. I like that dasher, really.
All right, guys. So yeah, no, we got to follow the same rules. It's the only way. The dasher boom's awesome. Maybe I should just leave that damn sumbitch on because so far every dasher boom has been a home run, man. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and turn on my MDX and my dasher. Damn, that's you know what? That dasher's legit, dude. It didn't get me in again. Why is it not getting me in? So my auto trader's not working on the dasher. Why? What the hell's going on, dude? I don't understand this. And that's your settings? Why is it not getting me in the damn trade, dude? Jeff, is this how is anybody who's got in on the dasher, is this how your settings are?
No, I got the auto disable unchecked, but everything else is the same.
You got the auto disabled unchecked? Okay.
Everything else is the same.
So you have the auto disabled unchecked. Yeah, that's how I did it a minute ago.
I don't know if that's the right way to do it.
Well, I mean, that's how I had it. But for some reason, it's just not, it's not triggering me. Huh. I might have to just manually do the dasher boom. Because for some reason, that's how you have yours. It's
Yeah, I'm going to enable mine again and see what happens. Oh, wait a minute.
Mine's not.
Now it's not letting me enable it. So is there some limit that it lets
Man, you got me. Mine doesn't even work, brother. So I don't know.
The target limit and the loss limit at the bottom, down risk management.
So I've so I've reached my target as far as it's concerned.
Damn, I'm not sure why it's not getting.
So you have to go into setup and change that and move the numbers.
Oh, wheel. You're going to get the wheel. All right. So like my dasher boom's not going to work, I know, but it would have triggered me here, right?
Hey, John, where is the setup for the auto trader?
You have to go into studies and pick that study.
Okay.
And it's what Jeff changed before. You do a drop down on it and then you scroll through the whole thing and it's down towards the bottom.
Yeah, got it. Okay. I think I'm going to hold off on that because I'm sure I'll get the wheel.
Bam! I just made 1,000 something on that one. All right, that put me back. I had to do it manually though. Yeah, you're gonna get the wheel if you try it. Oh man, why is it not working? So I'm gonna right click, go to Studies, Dasher Boom Settings. All right, so that was a big one. That was 1,000 something on that one.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Okay. I'm in it. And
Did it do the wheel or?
not yet. I'm gonna change my profit settings though.
Oh yeah.
I mean, I don't know what you guys all got set up.
Dude, mine's not even working. I don't know. I don't understand why mine's not
I guess we
working.
got to be a little careful on that too, right? Like they don't want us making too much.
Yeah, but on this evaluation account, I'm trading $150,000. I'm just going to try to make as much as possible.
Okay.
On the evaluation, you can make as much as you want,
Yeah.
but on the PA accounts, you can it has that 30% rule for
Yeah,
that.
for sure.
Okay.
And that's why she's setting the limits on there. So it just tells you if you want to make $500 a day, and that's what you're using, it tells you you hit your goal.
Yeah, yeah, for sure.
What's so great about this is in about 5 minutes. I mean, I made my initial goal. I mean, if I were doing this with a PA account, I made my goal that I would want to hit at a very minimum every day.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Yeah, that's beautiful. I mean,
Then you could go flying.
once I'm trading my PA account, I'm only going for a daily goal. And then after I get done with that, I'm switching over to an evaluation account every single time. Because we can't make too much money in our PA.
So you got to alternate between PA and evals, huh?
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do when I get to PA. How many contracts are you trading?
Right now, I'm just trading 2,
Perfect.
and that's on a 300K though.
Oh, okay. Oh, you got that 300K. That's right. You
Yeah,
bought that. Yeah, fuck.
I don't really care if I blow it up or not.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. That's my whole philosophy as well.
I'm trying to do my best. I mean, mentally, I'm trying to do my best and come out profitable, even though if I don't hit my target.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. I just want to know, why isn't my auto trader working? That's really confusing me.
Here goes the apply, and here comes the wheel.
Yep.
Here goes the wheel.
Jason, I'm trading 4 minis. Man, I'm really upset that my auto trader's not working. It should be working. I'm within my limits. It's already changed to 10,000, 10,000.
Plus, you're positive now anyway, so.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But it's not. Pull it up again. Okay, right here.
Yeah, it has you at current at 95 now at the bottom. So it's updated that. So it knows that you're within your parameters.
And do y'all have long only or long and shorter? Like, what do y'all have?
Long only.
You know what? It's only going to trigger. I'm going to go long and short because it's only going to trigger the correct direction anyway. So I'm going to try it long and short just to see if it does it. I'm just trying to experiment to see why it's not working.
On Dasher?
Yeah. I mean, I can do it manually, but we're not as fast manually as obviously it is. All right, so we're below 55. Coming into a support level. I like this higher low.
I got the wheel. I call it the circle jerk.
Yeah, we said something the other day. It was that sumbitch, dude. That wheel. God, I hate it.
At least on Mac, it's a spinning beach ball.
Oh, is it? Oh, that's funny. That's funny.
Just feel the sand between your toes.
You ought to pop up some palm trees too and bring you a glass of rum.
It should, really.
That is hilarious. Tell you, after yesterday's revelation, boy, I feel a hell of a lot more laser focused. Hell of a lot more. We do have this sloping down 55, so that's kind of a tricky spot. But since I'm practicing, I'm going to still do it. Damn, that goes fast, doesn't it? Jeez. When you do 4 contracts, any tiny movement, it is just psycho.
That's the thing about when you take a vertical movement and you time slice it and go horizontal with it, the resolution is incredible.
Yeah. Damn, I don't want the wheel. Want to disable it, but damn it, I don't want the wheel to pop up.
Yeah, I'm still in wheel mode. I'm waiting for my run to show up now.
I know, bro. I know. Like I said, my mission today is just practice and practice my signs, get really good at my signs, really get good at the management.
Well, that was interesting. So the wheel disappeared. My little tool, the manual entry thing, and everything's froze up. Awesome. Yeah, I'll give it a minute.
This is crazy. You do
That's
4
a nice little HP laptop that Rebecca had recommended to Ramon yesterday.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
I do all my daily work off of a similar HP laptop, man. That thing has never failed me. Very powerful. 2 screens.
Yeah. High or low. I like this sitting on R1. I'm having to do everything manually. That's fine. I'm just afraid to hit the wheel. I don't want the wheel of death to pop up.
Yeah, I still got the wheel.
Yeah, that wheel of death is deadly.
So I guess the takeaway from all this is that when there's changes to be made, write them down and then do them after trading hours.
Yeah, absolutely. Early in the morning. Yep. Because I need to change my limits, but I can't go in there now. Because if I go in there, I'm going to get the wheel of death.
So John, you're getting the wheel on Mac or the beach ball on Mac too?
You can't run this program on Mac. It's native to, so I actually have bought a Lenovo
Oh, okay.
laptop that I'm running it on. It has an i5 processor and 40 gig of RAM.
Yeah.
But I still get the wheel, and it's what you said, that we're all getting it. And she got it yesterday. I was watching when she tried to make a change.
Yeah, I know. That's when she dodged my question. Oh,
Well-
there's just so much stuff going on. Well, yeah, there's stuff going on because when you do a change, you got to stop processes within inside the program. You got to say, okay, everybody stop processing for a minute. We're going to make this change, this one change here, and then when it's done, then you resume the run routine, right? So. And I'm not knocking her. I mean, she's done a phenomenal job. You know, this is typical software development.
Yeah. Damn, this thing's going crazy right now. I'm just practicing like hardcore.
Yeah, this is crazy. I'm in Wheelsville here. It's put me in timeout.
Yeah.
If you made too much money, man, we're gonna put you in timeout. Well, maybe I gotta go over to Toss and trade some EOS here for a minute.
R1. Dude, I will never do 4 contracts like with a PA account. This is crazy. It doesn't even move. It's like every tiny move, it's up or down thousands. It is nuts. Thank God it's not like your money. It's crazy.
Is Charles trading PAs, or is it his money or clients' money?
I don't even know. I think it's clients' money.
I think he said he was trading a hedge for a hedge.
Yeah,
fund.
for a hedge fund. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
But ES is $50 a point.
$50 a point. Huh? Oh, this wheel's killing me.
Dude, doing this manually is difficult.
Well, let's see. Closed funds. Oh man, my IBET account's doing great.
Yeah, Bitcoin. Choppy here. It is. It is. This is tough. And with four, holy shit, is it psycho?
I think everybody's happy. The oligarchs and the adults are getting ready to take over.
Yeah, exactly.
The WBA's up again today.
Yeah. I saw that, dude. I saw it.
I bought some toothpaste there the other day, so there you go.
That helped us finally. This thing is just bouncing.
I'm gonna do some diagnostics here. Let's see.
Well, Jeff Dasher Boom did get me in on this one.
It did?
It did. I set it long only though, and I have the everything but auto disable ticked.
This is really tearing me up here. I'm practicing, and I'm trying, since that dasher boom, I'm trying to take it if it breaks above the dasher boom, but it keeps, this is too violent here. I'm totally practicing right now. I could care less because I don't want a $150,000 account. I only want the 50s. So I'm totally practicing because it doesn't really mean. And this is, I don't think I've ever seen that before, where it's been like that. That's very, I'm going to wait. That's too choppy, man. I don't think I've ever seen 5 wicks back to back. It is flickering like a snake. Yeah, I think 4 is a little bit out of control. That's too freaky. You know, I'm going to go to 2. Sorry, I don't want to. This is like, it's too wild. Yeah, it's too much. And I would never do that. If I had a real account right now, it would be 1. I wouldn't even be doing 2. So that's insane. 4 mini, it's just too much. Again, I'm not even, like I said, my only mission is to practice my stuff. And this right here, I'm not sure if I've ever seen that. I don't think I ever have. In about the 3.5 weeks, I've never seen it pull back every single candle. So I'm just gonna back off from it. This is crazy. I mean, at the end of the day, my accounts are gonna renew pretty soon, and I'm gonna have to pay the damn renewal. So it's like, as I should, because they're gonna renew, and I haven't even started trading the 300,000. So it's like, hadn't even started. Oh, we're in the first 5 minutes. Let me look at that. I've never seen that before. Main thing is, at least I know exactly what I'm looking for, but 4 is too much. S&P's at 49, so the market's good. Bitcoin shot up this morning too when I saw it. Why isn't my dasher boom? I mean, I know it's not working out, but why didn't it work a minute ago? All right, coming into R1. Got us a lower low. We're in the bottom zone. Oh, Charles. Charles is short on the ES. So if you have the dasher boom, it's probably going to trigger you on that break. Still going down. This is crazy.
Look at your fast MACD though on the time chart.
Yeah, it's going straight down.
It's under 30 too.
Yeah, it is. This bad boy is just cratering. It's funny because it looks like it's cratering, but if you look at it up here, the Nasdaq is up. I mean, it's up 250. It's like, oh, it's cratering. Well, it's not cratering. All right. Passing the OD 382. Is your wheel still going on?
Yeah, I just.
Oh my God, your wheel's still going on?
I just went into my process manager and I just killed the task, but I just learned something. I'm going to talk to Rebecca about it. What it does when you go in and make a change, it opens up a second instance of Sierra charts in the process deal. And so it's like it's like two programs running.
Okay.
And I'm going to ask her about that if she's looked at that.
Okay. That's interesting.
One freezes and then the other one just one freezes and says not responding. And then the one that it's trying to open just hangs there and does nothing.
Really?
Yeah.
That's interesting. My little workers, they didn't want to work today.
Wait for that government check to show up.
My little workers fucking. Oh, well. One thing I did learn is 4 is out of control. That's all I got to say. In the morning, yeah. It doesn't even move. It's like every tiny move is over 1,000 something. Like that would blow up an account too fast. I mean, it's like I would never trade 4. Like when I get my real, if I'm doing a 50,000, I'm going to be trading 1. Like that's it in real life.
Why is that different on the quantity, Jeff, between an evaluation and a PA?
Because on the evaluation, we're trying to pass it. We have to make a buttload. But on a PA, you can't make a buttload or it's too much.
Because of that 30% rule?
Yeah, exactly. And on a PA, I'm only going to be going for $500 a day. Like that's it. Yeah. But right now, I have this big account. You got to make like $9,000, bro. I was like, what? You're trying to go for 500 a day, but on this you got to make 9,000. That's just, it's too much.
So you're talking 500 per day per account
on a copy trade. Yeah, 500.
Yeah,
yes. Yeah.
Right. That's where they make the money. And
Yes.
even if you had 150 account, you could copy trade to that one too. It would just take you longer if it was a PA account to get to a payout level.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
So my point is, I don't want to trade this. I should have never bought this big of account because this is not the account that I want. So I'm just trying to trade and I don't want to renew it. Like, I don't want a $300,000 because I'm not ready for that at all. I want just a little $50,000 accounts where I can make my $500 a day and be happy. But I got stuck into, yeah, exactly. That's what got me. I was buying $50,000 accounts, and then it was like, buy the 300,000, and so I did, and I'm like, I don't want it because in real life, that's not how I'm going to trade. I'm not going to do 4 contracts. But how can I pass 9,000 or 20,000 in a $300,000 account doing one? Like, it's unrealistic. So that's why what I want to do is I want to go in there and cancel. But I'm not going to do it right now because I got some days. So I might as well just, again, all I'm doing is learning right now. I'm taking this whole month of January, and February to really master it. And then after the March, I'm good to go. But I don't want these big accounts. I don't want them.
So I just got everything running, Jeff.
Finally
I
worked?
made that change in there. Nope, my auto traders it didn't take the change to the higher level. So I got to talk to her about that.
Yeah.
I'll talk to Liz.
And you know way more about that stuff. I don't know anything about that. My auto trader wasn't working from the beginning, and so I don't really know what's going on. All right, so we got a swing low, OD32. Right, that's where that's the what she say? I took down notes a long time ago. OD32 is the war zone. The war zone. Nasdaq's up 245, S&P's up 45. But again, the thing that gets me is I want to trade evaluations the same way I trade PAs, but because I've got these such big accounts, it's forcing me to trade completely different. Dasher will trigger right there. I'm not going to take that because I want to take it, but the Dasher would trigger because it popped through that resistance. Yeah. And again, I'm studying this because these Dashers, I mean, maybe I'll start, whenever it comes down to it, maybe I'll start taking these Dashers regardless because everyone, they seem to be working good. My auto trader's not working, so I can't get into it. But they seem to be, I mean, really good, actually. Bam, there's another one. So there's 1, there's 2. I might, again, all I'm doing is learning. So what I might do for learning purposes, I might start taking these Dasher booms. And then again, the MDX, I'm waiting, but I might start taking these. Again, in order to practice the management, you got to take trades. But yeah, Jason, you're right. Other than the affiliate link, right? All right, so we're sitting at R1. Got a higher high. Oop, toss. Charles says he's putting down those Dashers. All right. So MACD, we're climbing. It's kind of just chopping around. This is good. One thing is I know for 100% fact, you ain't never going to see me take these pullback trades again. I had nightmares about those. Like that. You take that? Oh, God, dude. I had nightmares about that shit, dude. Nightmares. You know what's crazy? When I hit my dasher boom, though, it said it was enabled. Even though it didn't trigger it, it actually said it was enabled, which is wild. Because it didn't trigger it. And y'all's did. Coming into the 200. MD stopping at the 2. That's a nice, strong area. Whenever you get in a trade, that message pops up. How do we get that not to pop up? How come it didn't get me in the fucking trade, dude? Damn. Like not following through. There's no big moves. Just kind of flickering around. Just chopping here in this little window there. We'll pin it, right? What's Charles doing? Plus 15. Right. Pull back. That 55 is going up. Higher high. This is good though. I'm telling you what, I got the signals down hardcore. Now it's just practicing, repeating. Right? Kind of just flickering, still bouncing off that R1. These pullbacks though, whew, they're tough. So my MDX didn't work either. So none of my auto traders seem to work anymore. So it sucks.
Yeah, I'm still playing around here with mine.
Yeah, if you can figure out stuff again, because Ed, that's what it's all about. Wasn't Charles short just a minute ago? Look over, he was short, long short. But for the first
He's
time,
got the quick reverse button.
yeah,
Ta-da!
exactly. Exactly. But I'll tell you this, again, I'm not doing 4, obviously, like in real life, but for the first, like after yesterday, like I know exactly how to do it. Now, if I can just continue to work on the management, because everything else, perfect now. The other day, I was just so bouncing back and forth. The double reversal synthetic 3x3. That's funny, dude. But this is good. Brandon! Yeah, it's solid.
I'll take mine shaken, not stirred.
Exactly right. Exactly. Synthetic 3x3s. Charles the Legend. Hey, but at least our crypto, Bitcoin, Bitcoin's moving. See, I like a 50. I mean, a 50,000. That's plenty for me, man. Like I want to buy more and then just dump these, but I don't think we have any sales. I just want to have at least 7 or 8 evaluations, all 50,000. Like that's all that I want, man. Because to me, and I think there's a lot of people that, because they'll pass these, but then they'll fail the PAs. And I think it's because of this reason. They've got these big evaluations. They're trading it crazy. But then they have these $25,000 PAs, and they're trying to trade it like they're trading this big one, and they're blowing it up quick. It's just, it can't work. It can't work. But I don't want to go in there and cancel it, man. But when did we buy it? We bought it at the end of December, right? Before the sale, or when did we buy it? We all pretty much bought it around the same time. I think it was the end of December, right? Going into the new year.
Yeah. Yeah, end of December.
Because it
Okay.
renews in 30 days. And I haven't even started the 300,000. I haven't even practiced. But what's the point? You got to make $20,000, I believe, on a $300,000 account to pass
Yeah,
it.
if this thing would just let me trade, I might have a chance at it.
If what?
I said, if this thing would get these auto traders squared away and let me trade, the program start working, I could get towards that goal, that 20K, man.
Yeah.
This is nuts. I'm trying a couple different things.
Yeah. I get it, brother.
Troubleshooting her software. So
I like it. I mean, if anybody can figure something out, it's you, but I don't have a clue.
I think I'll take it offline and have a chat with Liz about it first, and then, oh, okay, I might have figured it out here.
Really? The wheel?
Yeah, I'm just going to give it a minute.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
Yes. Okay. So one of the keys is that I turn data off. What I do is I open up the program and then I turn data off right away. Let the chart load. I go ahead and make my change, and it takes about, I don't know, a couple minutes, 3 minutes, and then it accepts it. So there are a lot of processes going on, and I also think that it's probably trying to do it for all of the charts, like the 30-minute, the 10-minute, the 5, the whatever.
Oh.
I think John is onto something here where, you just got to grab this 5 and treat it as its own separate chart and leave all the other crap off of there. I mean, it's a system resource issue is what it is. I mean, just the way that she processes things. But
That's crazy.
Okay, well, I'm going to give it another try here. So
here's what I'm going to do on YouTube. For those of you watching on YouTube, hopefully you enjoyed it. This stuff's crazy. We're going to be doing this every day. Come back again, just learning this stuff, getting better. If you want to join us on our mastermind, check down below in the description. Have a great weekend. Peace out.